Hey guys, wanted to put this little car on here that we built for the grandchildren to ride around on, and just show you a little bit about it. And we completely disassembled it and put a new frame under it. Uh, Done a lot of work, a lot of blocking, sanding, priming, painting. It's got a 50cc four-wheeler engine on it that we built. A gas tank, aluminum gas tank my son built, put on there for us. For 50cc, it does a pretty good job. We put hydraulic brakes on it. It's got a rack and pinion steering on it. Does real good. My wife covered all the interior, did the door panels and the seats, and finished all of that out for me. The doors open on it. It's fully carpeted. You can see the big gas pedal foot in there. That's kind of old school. Put a lot of work, a lot of time into it, but it was really enjoyable doing. The wife completely finished out the trunk on it. It's all carpeted and got the mat and everything in it. Took about 2 years to complete it, just on and off.